Oh, it's still out. A moment of silence for the wiring harness. What's going on, you guys? Welcome to another video. Today we are working on the Hardbody again. So a little update on the Hardbody. If you guys didn't saw the last video that I did, you can check it out right here. And pretty much there we did the motor mount brackets and all that. So all that's good to go. Also, I was going to do a little update on the truck. Painted the engine bay, and I did a couple of other stuff. So let's get to it. All right, so here it is. So I painted the engine bay this Nardo gray color, and I'm pretty happy. I'm very happy. So I painted everything before I installed the motor. That was one of the things that I said that I didn't record, unfortunately. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I also painted, and it's dirty now, but I painted the frame. Also, there's the mount brackets. Yep. And that's pretty much it. Pretty happy with how it turned out. Today what we're doing is getting the old wiring harness. I was trying to make it work with the wiring harness, but sadly I couldn't. So we're gonna be removing the wiring harness because we ordered a Wiring Specialty harness for the RB. So hopefully that with the OEM ECU will get this engine started for the first time. The problem is this is an auto Stagia, so to make life easier for me and to hear this baby run for the first time, new Wiring Specialty harness is gonna be put in. It is a total mess. It's a total mess inside here. I took out the dash, and the original chassis wiring is down here. So we're making a new chassis harness. But yeah, I was trying to make it work and stuff like that, and I couldn't. So Wiring Specialties is gonna be pretty much on today's video. We're just gonna remove all these wires, and yeah, that's pretty much it.
From beneath the sand, place to take me across seems so far away. Across the universe, she lives another day. I know the reason she stays. I know the reason she's so far away. I know the reason she stays.
Somebody wants spaghetti? It looks cleaner. Actually, the wires made it look messed up. I don't know where to feed it through yet. I'm thinking about fitting it to the original spot. I don't know yet because the grommet on it is like so small. So we'll see where we feed it through. But I'm pretty happy because I'm gonna be able to wire tug it and make it nice and clean. You know, nice and simple. And then to not have cables running up from here to like the headlights, and to not make holes on the side here to like feed it through here to come up through here. I'm thinking of feeding it on the original side, like both left and right, you know, headlights and turn signal and stuff like that. Feed it through here, and then feed this headlight through here like normal, but then run the wiring across the bottom or across the top. Made it nice and clean. Once I got run from the bottom, and then make it come out through the back, and then out here. That way, I don't have no wiring in here, just a little wire here for the harness, and there will be no wiring around because the battery is going to be relocated either inside the cab or in the bed. So let's see. Let's hope everything goes as planned. But yeah guys, pretty much that's all it. Now is waiting for the Wiring Specialties Harness to get here and hope this baby sparks. I cannot wait to hear her run for the first time. I bet you guys do. But thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share. Any questions? Leave a comment below. And thanks for watching guys.